Welcome to 935 McFeely Drive in Qualicum Beach. Seldom do we get such a spectacular walk-on waterfront home come on the market. Here we have about 2,800 square feet of luxury quality finish. We've got a workshop of about another 900 square feet. Overall, we're on a half acre of professionally landscaped, gorgeous yard, fully fenced and completely private. Let's go take a look. Here is an open concept layout with high vaulted ceilings to maximize the Salish Sea views. This is quality finishing throughout. We've got hardwood flooring, granite, marble, Sub-Zero and Thermador appliances, and so much more. Wow, how great was that, folks? A custom-built home built to the highest of standards, fronting on walk-on sand beach, offering miles of beachcombing experience, and backing onto a protected wildlife sanctuary. Visit Tom's website for all the details, and don't forget, call Tom.